Hey, believe me, you will never be able to speak English if you will keep making this one mistake, that is translating in your head from your native language to English. Whenever you have conversation with someone, you think your answer in your native language, then translate it into English. So it makes your conversation robotic. Well, don't worry. I am going to fix your problem. In today's video, I will give you 5 powerful ways to think in English directly without translating. So without further delay, let's get into the main video. So tip number 1, surround yourself with English. In other words, you can say immerse yourself in English speaking environment as much as possible. This includes watching movie, listening to music, reading book. The more you expose yourself, the easier it will be start thinking in English. Don't try to understand anything. Just watch and enjoy the process. The moment when you will start enjoying the process, the English word will automatically come out from your mouth. So when I started learning English, I did same. So you can do the same thing. So tip number 2, speak out loud. Yes, you heard me right. Speak out loud. Practice your speaking English out loud. Whenever you can, describe your environment, whatever you are doing or you are going to do or you will do. For example, if I need to describe my current situation, then I will describe something like this. For example, I am creating my video on my phone. I am sit on the couch. My father is walking into the room. So this is the window over there. This is a sofa. This is a chair. I am going to make tea. The sun is rising. So you can do the same thing and you can also describe your current situation, something like this. So this will help you become more confident with thinking in English. So you can do the same thing. Now tip number 3, shadowing practice. Now you are thinking, what does shadowing practice mean? But let me break this down for you. It means play a clip of a native speaker and repeat after them with same rhythm, tone, body language, word. It means basically have to copy of a native speaker. So this is a very powerful technique that every single person use in order to improve their spoken English, to thinking in English. It will train your brain to think in English. It will train your mouth to speak English. It will build your vocabulary, and most importantly, it will improve your communication skill. When I started learning English, I have also done this thing. So you can do the same thing. So this is a very powerful technique that every single person use. Tip number 4, keep a journal. Pick your personal dictionary and start writing your future goal, plan, your daily basis routine, your good thing, bad thing, your struggle, or your any situation that you have to do in your future. You can write it down in your dictionary in English, but it should be in English. So by doing this thing, it will cut down your stress, your depression, and most importantly, it will improve your pronunciation, grammar, and as if you are talking to a organic person or genetic person. Almost every eminent person keep having their diary in order to write their experience, thought, or any situation or future plan. So you can do the same thing. So keep a diary, small diary like this. I have keep my diary of myself. Writing your internal thought in your diary help you. So this will help you to become more confident to thinking in English. In addition to record yourself on your phone on any topic, pick your phone and start talking on different topic and watch it again and again and upload it on your social media handle, on your social media account. Internal debate or self-talk. Instead just thinking about what you are doing, start thinking what you feel or what you plan. Start thinking in your head as if you are talking to different people. By now you have narrating your day, you have naming objects, but if to truly master thinking in English, you need to have a conversation with yourself in order to improve your thinking ability. In order to improve your thinking ability, you can describe your future plan, goal, what you are doing, and you can travel. You can describe your travel destination. You can describe about your friend, your school. So whatever you are going to do or whatever you have to do, you can describe, you can talk to yourself in your head like you are talking to different people. For example, if you have make a decision what to eat for dinner, then make a plan for to dinner. What should I make for dinner? What should I do in dinner? What ingredient will acquired for dinner? So something like that you can talk to yourself in your head in English. So it will improve your thinking ability more than you think. And most importantly, keep patient, persistent, because every good thing takes time. So don't get frustrated, don't get stressed, don't make yourself brutal thing. Okay, so every good thing take time. So I am about to end this video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure hit the subscribe button and give it a like and share with your friend who want to improve their spoken English. I will see you in the next video. Bye people.